Hello there. So how to fix your IT has enabled this feature on OneDrive. For that one, you have to run the command, this one right here. Let me just type in here run, like so, and type this exact prog. That will be regedit. So if you click on this one, basically just opening register editor. Now this is the exact file key. All the way, I'm just open this one so you can follow me step by step. So look for the one that says machine. Once you're in there, look for the one that says software. Under software, looking for the one that they call Microsoft. I think I have already opened it earlier. Should be around here somewhere. So the great thing about this one are they are chronologically or alphabetically arranged. So you won't have a hard time looking for Microsoft. Now under Microsoft, look for the one for OneDrive. Now it depends if you have OneDrive on your Microsoft. And I think I do not have it because I'm already on letter O here. I do not see OneDrive. Now let's just say this OEM is going to be OneDrive. Now inside the OneDrive, there should be a file they call this one, allowed tenant list. So if you don't have allowed tenant list for this one, right click, click on new, add a string value, which is going to be this one. Under it, name it as it is, especially on the uppercase letter. And for the value, add this part right here. And that should fix your problem.